guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda, and today I'll be making my first gift basket on my channel, and I'll be doing a birthday basket for my mom. It'll be a birthday fall basket with some goodies, some of the things that I know that she likes. So let me show you some of the items that we have. Alright guys, so some of the things that I have for my mom, I have some shampoo, conditioner, things to wash her hair. I have some snacks, some of the snacks that I know she likes. I have lotion, candles, and some things for her nails, and of course a wine glass so she can drink her wine today. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, this is some old tissue paper that I had, and I'm just going to put this in the pail for a cushion so things won't be just rumbling around, hitting one another. And I'm going to start with adding the items. I'm just going to add some shredded paper just for leverage. And decoration too a little bit. And guys, when I put my stuff in here, it don't have to be perfect. It don't have to be super neat, but I just want to make sure everything fits in here. And it's cute. And guys, I have my mom's favorite wine, and I'm going to put this in the middle. Now I have this glass here. I'm going to put this glass to the side. And I'm going to add a little tissue paper. I'm going to add this tissue paper to cushion it so it won't break. Like that. And I'm going to add some just for the decoration. Now I think that's all the tissue paper I probably need. I'm going to add a little bit more shredded paper as well to make it look polished. And I'm going to add my smaller items at the top. Can you see everything? And these items are really secure, so you don't have to worry about anything breaking. And sometimes, you have to try to move things around so other items can fit. So you do as you do as you have to, you do as you please to make it happen. Okay, and I'm gonna add her nail polish and her double mint. stuff behind on. You see it is. So guys, I think this really looks good. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Now, my last items to decorate the basket even more, I'm going to add some beautiful sunflowers. Alright, turn it around so I can get the other side. Give you guys a good look at the back. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with the blow drying. Alright, so guys, with this you just pull the string and it automatically makes a bow. And I am going to tie the bow around. guys. So this is my gift basket from my mom. I hope you guys like it. And Mom, happy birthday to you. We love you. And you guys come back to my channel for more gift baskets. And thank you for tuning in.